Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about filter condition in PySpark. The filter condition or filter function is used to filter the rows from a data frame or RDD based on a given condition. It allows you to narrow down your data to only those rows that meet certain criteria. The operation return a new data frame or RDD that include only the rows that satisfy the condition provided. Okay, so it's like if you already aware of the SQL filter, right? Where class filter, same like it work like that only. And here it will helps to you filter the rows from a data frame or RDD, guys. Okay. Now based on the condition, whatever we have provided. Okay. Key points for the filter in PySpark. Data frame or versus, for example, RDD filter can be used in both data frame and RDD. The syntax is similar, like but the underlying data structure differs. Data frame is distributed collection of argument into named columns, while RDD is low level, immutable collection of objects. Okay, these are the difference there whenever you're utilizing data frame or RDD, right? So data frame is distributed the collection of data argument into named column, but while RDD is low level, it is immutable, it is collection of objects. So this is the key difference while utilizing the filter in PySpark. And condition. The condition provided filter is typically lambda function or an expression that is applied each row in data frame or RDD. Used with the data frame with filter on a data frame, the condition must be expression, column, operation or condition or one or more columns on one or more columns. So this is like theoretical. It is very com complexity to understand. But if you do the practical, it is easy to understand. Filtering on RDD. Here an example, filtering on RDD, where we select only even numbers. Or this is the Python code which I am giving. Here I have created RDD. Here I am SC parallelism 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now applying one more. I have created one more variable even RDD. RDD dot. I'm calling that RDD dot filter method. Here I'm passing lambda function. Okay, lambda x colon x percentage 2. So I'm passing the here expression also with help of lambda function. This is a lambda function x colon x percentage 2 equal to 0. Now I'm printing the even RDD dot collect with help of collect function. Guys, no need to worry. This parallelism collect, right? It is I'm going to discuss in future in detail. Just focus on why, because I want to utilize with one example. It look like for you to difficult to understand, right? No need to worry. Just focus this example. Later you will understand. I will explain these two things in later. Okay. Now I'm executing this, the output will be the 24689. Why? Because here I'm applying the, I want to get the even number here. So here this is the logic which I have created lambda x percentage to equal to 0. So whenever the lambda function execute the whatever result are there, here it I am showing, now it is collecting it. So execute it. Now let me execute. We attach. Okay, I'm attaching the data, compute here. Okay, attaching to this notebook. It is very important, guys. Whenever you're executing the notebook, make sure you should attach your this compute engine. Okay, now the Spark job is executing. So we are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the output. Okay, now second thing is summary. The filter function, the above code, I have given some explanation here. For data frame, I have explained here. Okay, with example, many examples. Now the filter function in PySpark allow you to select data based on specified condition, right? Data based on here, this is a specified condition which we have mentioned. Okay, it can be applied on both RDD or data frame, but the syntax is slightly different depending on the data structure. This is the syntax for the whatever we have written, right? These are the syntax for now. If you see the data frame, okay. So here PySpark.sql imports part session. Okay, I'm importing the required library. Now I'm creating a one session for this. Now this is the data I have. Okay, data equal to RAM 30 New York. Okay, this is the sample data which I have created. Now I'm assigning the column names by creating the column name, a city, occupation. Now I'm creating a data frame for this. ds part data create data frame data and column. This is the named columns. Okay, like in the data frame we have to assign the named column. So I have assigned here. Now I'm creating one more word df.filter age is greater than 30. This is a simple filter condition which will help to you restrict the, I mean, based on the condition, whatever you pause in the expression, right? Here, data frame inside this one age. So if you observe here, for RDD also, we have applied here RDD dot filter lambda, right? Same syntax is same, but the what I mean to say, the syntax is slightly different depending on the data structure, right? So these are the exact differences. Now, I have applied this function. I am going to apply in the particular column age is greater than 30. Now this is the result we are getting. Okay. Charlie 35 means he is the aged person. 35 is the, okay. He is a doctor. Now, imagine you working on large set of customer information, including age, income, and occupation history. You want to segment customer based on age. This is a real-time world scenario, guys. Okay, suppose filter DF I have created, DF dot filter age is greater than 25, and DF here why I apply here, if you see closely, you want to segment customer based on age, right? This is the one scenario I want to find out. So this is the logic which I'm going to apply. DF dot filter age is greater than 25 and DF occupation equal to engineer. So right now if I apply filter dot show means this is the output we are getting. So like this, similarly, suppose I want to apply DF name equal to Ram. Okay, I want to apply like equal condition. This is an AND operator. You can utilize OR also. Okay, so DF dot filter DF name equal to Ram dot show, not equal to. I don't want to showcase not equal to. Okay, so right now the show method will help you display the data. See, this is the output we are getting. Okay. Now, in the one more function, we can utilize SQL call function. Call function is it helps you select a particular column. On top of that, we are applying the transformation. See, guys, whatever filters we are applying, this concept is also comes under transformation part. Okay. Now, here, with help of call function, name equal to Rahim dot show. So, this is like one of the example. I am going to explore call function more in future. So just go through this one. Okay, df dot filter. I'm selecting particular column equal to the show dot truncate false. So truncate for me, it is not going to truncate the data set. Whatever it has, it is going to showcase. So this is an example which I have utilized a call function with filter. Now I don't want to not equal to. So like this, we can apply not equal to. Uh, this is the one. Okay, less than and greater than brackets are there, right? So you can utilize like this also. So we can get the filter. Now I want to apply, you know, a spark filter with multiple conditions. Suppose these are the multiple conditions on particular column. Okay, like this you can write logic and you can get it. Now I want to see name start with, sometimes you want to filter the data whenever they filter df, whatever data frame already executed, the df dot name column start with r. So it is going to, whenever the name is start with r and ends with, it is going to display the data. So this is about the filter condition in PySpark, guys. Okay. Thank you. I hope you like this video. And in future, I'm going to add more scenarios that will help you in real time world. Thank you, guys.